All right, good afternoon. So we're doing the solar panels on the cargo conversion, and we have 6 solar panels, 200 watts apiece, so a total of 1200 watts. The EcoFlow will handle 1600 watts coming in, and of course it's not going to be 1200 watts, so it's going to be way below. So we're going to tape them down so we don't drill into the roof, and we are going to use this 3M I think it was 5952, so it's supposed to have a holding strength of 85 pounds per square inch. So we got to put our Z clips on all the way around, and then our channel. So we're going to go ahead and show you what we're going to do. We got our nuts and bolts lined up out there. So we'll be right back, and we'll take you along on this little experiment. Alright, so it's actually the nut. Out of all the nuts, which I got just enough to do this project, which is 2, 4, 6, 8 per panel, 8 times 6. One nut was the wrong size. I thought I was crazy. So went ahead and got everything on, and just going to tighten those up. And then we're going to tighten these up and go on to 2 more stages, 3 more stages on the tracks. So the next stage is I'm going to get this 80 grit sandpaper out of the box, maybe. And then we're just going to rough these channels up. And rough them up a little bit. some scratches in it. Same to this one. Good. And then we're going to find a rag. I lost my rag. Right here. And we're going to clean it with some alcohol. Keep that going there. Clean it with some alcohol. Some stuff comes off there too. So I usually do it twice on each track. Make sure it's nice and clean. Good. So I will leave a link to Nomad Brad's channel if I can figure it out how to do that. This is the same exact procedure he did. And I've also seen other YouTubers that have done this. I saw a 5-year update where they just put the tape on the Z brackets. So you're looking at 3 inches by 1.5 inches or so. And it stayed up on top of that roof for 5 years. So I really don't want to drill holes in the roof and then put sealant in it. So I'm pretty confident this will work. And then once I go up and prep the area where this will go, I'm going to sand that place where the tracks will go on the roof of the cargo trailer, clean it with alcohol, same process, and then just stick it down. And then I have some lap sealant. I'll go around all the areas, and camera keeps shutting off. So we're just going to put a strip of tape on here, like so. And I'm still waiting for a cord. So I got to make a cord to go, because it's male coming out of the trailer for shore power, for generator, and for the solar, and then also a male coming out that's plugged into the Delta Eco flow. So I got to make a cord with 2 females to plug in each side so the Eco flow can power the trailer up. So I got the cord. I'm just waiting for the female plugs. I need to get this in. So we have one more process. I lied. One more process with this. Once we get the tape down. and that's the roller. Somebody gave me this roller and it just worked out perfect because they're like $15 at Home Depot. I think this is for rolling out little pieces. So we just roll this down, make sure it's on there nice and tight. The other side. So that's it for that process. So we're all ready to go. And I had to put some permanent Loctite on that nut because it's not a lock nut, but it should be all right. So I'm going to go prep the area, and hopefully tonight I'll show you the finished product, and then I can hook the solar in. I'd have to, because the EcoFlow is up to 100, so it's getting ready to it's getting dark now. So tomorrow morning it'll all be hooked up, and we should be getting some good sun once it comes over that tree line about 9 a.m. But I'm gonna go prep the trailer. It rained, so I gotta get a blower, blow off the area I'm gonna do, get it dry, scuff it up, clean it with some alcohol, get this panel up, get it hooked up, and with the rest of them, and we'll see what we got when we're done. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment, but nice comments, don't be mean. That way the videos can get out and hopefully help somebody else with solar. All right, we'll be back. Well, it's actually the next day. I ran out of daylight, but I did get the 6 panel up, and what we're looking like. So we're all hooked up, just waiting for the sun to come up and hit these panels and see if we got everything wired up right. And once that happens, we'll do an update, see what we're pulling in. I just double checked everything. They're running in series, so positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, and then the positive, negative running up, which is right there, and they're going into the trailer. So always, even though I was double checking as I was going, making sure I was connecting correctly, always that doubt. So I guess they need to get sun on them to pull anything in. So as soon as that sun comes up, we'll come back and do an update. Alright, so we're going to end this video. We got her all hooked up. Show you another view again. And the sun wasn't out that much today, but the little bit it was out, we were bringing in about 850 watts. So I did hook up all the wiring correctly, because we are bringing in solar. And yeah, I drained the EcoFlow down 2% to 98%, and I saw that when the EcoFlow reaches 100%, it won't allow solar to come in, so it just shuts it down until it's on and depleting. So that's good. So we may get the extra battery, but I think that extra battery is like $2,000, so we won't be getting that anytime soon. So the next project is the mini split. We just got the shelf in for it today, but it's been raining. It's still raining. It's like 6:30 now, so I'm not going to start it tonight. I'll start it tomorrow and see if it fits on the tongue, because there's a box on it, so I may have to move that box forward a little bit. I don't know. It looks like it will fit on it, but we'll find out. And then the mini split will sit right on top. And then I have to make a cord for the solar to go from the trailer into the EcoFlow in order to run the whole trailer on solar. So we'll be able to run shore power, solar, and generator. 3 options. And I'm hoping that the solar will keep everything running. We'll see. We'll let you know. We'll be back. Keep you updated.